AirTags are great for keeping track of our stuff, but as you may know, the batteries only last for about a year and a half. So let me show you how easy it is to replace the battery. So this back cover comes off, and you get it off by squeezing it down and rotating it counterclockwise. But the thing is knowing how much to squeeze it. So look at your AirTag from the side and you'll see this little gap between the cover and the body. And when you give it a squeeze, you'll see that gap close up. That's the amount of pressure you want to put on it when you go to rotate it off. So all you're going to do is apply the same amount of pressure downwards and then rotate it counterclockwise. But the one thing is that this white plastic part and the chrome part on the back is really slippery. And because of that, you can't tell if it's rotating. So take a pencil and make a little mark right above the center of the apple on the white case. Now you'll be able to tell if the cover is actually turning. And now just push it down, rotate it counterclockwise, and you'll know you've turned it enough when the little stem on the apple points towards the mark. And these AirTags take a battery that's very easy to find, the CR2032 battery. And if you want one of these batteries, I'll have it linked in the description right underneath this video. The battery comes out very easily, then just pop your new one in. And just make sure that the words and the positive sign on the battery are pointing up. And then just put the cover back on with the stem pointing towards your mark, push down and rotate. And I have one other tip to share with you. If you're tired of replacing the battery in your AirTag every year and a half, check out my other video right here where I show you how to extend it from a year and a half to 10 years. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.